Hey! I haven't posted a video in a few months. I have a good excuse. My wife and I welcomed our third child into the world. Anyway, I think what time to come back and say hello than at our first Veg Fest of the year. Look who it is!
And they were like, I guess we'll come over here and take a look, but we thought it was going to be like kind of small.
Especially like Hamilton, I thought it would have been just smaller, you know?
Yeah.
A lot of the like vendors here, they don't come out to the Toronto Veg Fest, so it's a lot of new stuff I haven't seen before. She got it was like a Rice Krispie square, but except with potato chips. It was odd, but it was enjoyable,
Just salty marshmallow, really.
Yeah, it was really weird.
I tried to bring like a family vibe to it, so my kids and I will cook, make smoothies together. The idea is just to kind of show that, you know, it's easy.
Yeah.
The whole family can do it. If you get the kids involved and everything, and whatever you, or a partner, or
people are
friends.
very skeptical for children, especially.
Yes, exactly.
They think it's not possible to have your child.
Yeah, exactly. You have to change the baby before we go in.
The baby had a very disaster of poop, and it went all over her clothes.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
You gonna wake up your brother?
Knock, knock. You want me to push you in the stroller? Yeah?
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Hey, let's go. Come on, sweetie.
No.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. I'm hopping out into the truck. Cheesy style. Want to try that one?
Yes, please.
There you are.
Oh, it's delicious. Well, look who I'm running into here.
Hey, what's up?
So nice to see you. It's nice to see you.
Saw
too.
your beautiful family.
You did?
Yeah, I just ran into them.
Corey's an old musician friend of mine. When we were teenagers, or maybe in our early 20s, our bands used to play together. It's so great to see people that I've known over the years, running into them and seeing that they've gone vegan too. Alright, Yoso, you guys have any flavors I can try? My kids love the chocolate yogurt. It's pretty much pudding, it's their dessert. Wanna try some? Wanna try some cream cheese?
Are you cream cheese guy?
What do you think? No?
Or you got chocolate?
Oh, that's what he's looking for right there.
This is the one.
That's the one. Go ahead, buddy. No pressure.
No pressure.
Is it good?
Did you get a thumbs up?
Thumbs up or what?
Thumbs up.
There we go.
Here's the raspberry.
Okay. Can I try some of the chocolate? Oh, that's good. Doesn't it just taste like sugar?
Yep.
And you like that? Okay, so what's wrong? What's wrong? He dropped his spoon and he's really upset about it.
Might need one of these. Tuck that in
There we
right
go, thank you.
Half bar for 6 this size. We got our luscious coconut here made with beautiful coconut
You have a
butter.
spicy one?
No, not sampling the chili right now, but down to the last 2 bars.
Oh man, that's good. What else is in here? You said
Coconut butter, coconut oil, coconut sugar sweetened, and that's about it. Cacao nibs.
That's amazing, man.
Yeah.
That's really, really good. I'm all about kombucha here, guys. What do you guys have sampling here today?
I've got mango, lemon, ginger, or like a berry blend.
What do you recommend? Berry blend. Let's do berry blend.
Say this one's kind of reminiscent of a wine, like a full-bodied wine.
Oh, that's good. That's kind of like a
Like a shanty or something?
what do you like what's it called? Like a cooler, like a wine cooler, right?
Okay.
Something like that. Yeah. What do you call it? A shanty?
No, I was thinking shanty's like beer and like
That sounds like
ginger
we're gonna
ale.
like have a shanty.
Come on, guys.
Can I actually try a little bit of the lemon ginger?
Yeah.
Just a tiny little bit. I just want to try this. Yeah, that would be my jam right there. What made you guys want to start this?
Kathy actually started it because her father had bladder cancer.
Okay.
So she started making it for him. He was originally only given 6 months to live and he lasted 3 years. So she saw those results and was kind of like, I need to share this with the world.
That's
Thank
awesome.
you.
Thanks so much. High five. High five.
These are nut-based cheeses.
What's this one here? I'll try this one.
There we are. Are you making this?
Oh, that's delicious. Well done.
Thank you.
Keep it up. I love that. For sure.
Well, there you go. He's got
What's this, brother?
We're going to be organizing the official Animal Rights March in Toronto. People might be familiar with the March to Close All Slaughterhouses. Well, we've evolved away from that march, and we're going to be doing the first official Animal Rights March in Toronto on August 25th. It's going to take place at Grange Park behind the AGO at 11 o'clock. Last year in the UK, they had over 5,000 people show up for the march.
Pleasure to meet you guys. I'm going to be there August 25th.
August 25th,
awesome.
Be there. We're making history for animals.
I keep losing my wife, and there she is. You keep disappearing on me. Oh, you got one for River?
River. Aww. It's a pin.
It says your name. Has your name on it.
What do you say?
Healthy sprinkles.
Oh, awesome.
And a little spice. Toasted
Oh,
sriracha
that's
ham
right. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Sure. You're welcome.
You are Marcy?
Yes, I am.
What made you want to start this?
We're welcome.
Yeah, well, I'm such a typical vegan. I'm like, you're vegan, yay! I get so excited.
Do you preach out there that you're all hard?
Yeah, we can't. You got to show by example and show them that there's amazing, like everyone knows here, there's amazing tasting vegan food. I want to try one of your things because I'm sure it's going to be delicious.
So these are called Booster Bites.
Booster Bites.
Toasted
Can I
coconut.
try one? All right.
Be my guest. So that's them.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Thank you.
This is it's chewy.
Yeah, those are chewy.
Yes. What was the real passion behind this?
A lot of people don't even care that we're vegan. They just know that it's healthy.
You can have something that's a treat and have it still be healthy.
One of the items that we make, we use blackstrap molasses. Yeah. When you mix blackstrap molasses with non-GMO baking soda, it actually has been proven to kill cancer cells.
No way.
There's a whole diet based around it to cure cancer.
I'm going to leave it up to my viewers to go look that up. I can't wait to check that out.
You can't go wrong with the name Marcio.
Awesome. Have a good one, guys. I'm excited to come here. My wife just told me you guys have vegan honey.
We do.
I would love to try a little bit of vegan honey. So here's a moment of truth. Oh my god, it's so good.
Thank you.
You said you guys make it from apple?
We did, yes.
Oh my god, that is so good. That is amazing. You guys are kicking ass.
Thank you so much.
Fist pump right here. Keep doing what you're doing. Awesome. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Come on, man.
They have unicorn ones over there. You guys can get one unicorn one each, maybe.
I got this one.
Whoa.
It has all kinds
Cool.
of colors.
So say,
That's
Daddy, I need
awesome.
money now.
And I got, Daddy, we need money. Get buy some money.
Apparently I can't get into my pocket here. What is in my pocket? Okay, can you grab it out? Awesome. There you go. Yes, perfect.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Have a good one.
All right, you too.
You want to go check out some of these other ones now?
But it's just,
Good running.
All right, so that's the end. That is the end of Veggie Fest Hamilton. Is it Veggie Fest Hamilton or Hamilton Veg Fest? What is it? Is it Veg Fest?
Veg Fest.
So that's the end, Veggie Fest Hamilton 2018. But yeah, I first came to Veg Fest, I think back in 2012.
what's up?
And what's up? There was nobody here. I mean, very few people. Just about 5 years to see it grow like this has been phenomenal. Hey, I know you.
How are ya?
Burlington.
Thanks for having us.
So that was Veg Fest. Wait, what is it? Veggie Fest? Veg Fest Hamilton? What is it? Veggie Fest Hamilton? I keep forgetting. Veggie Fest Hamilton. I keep wanting to say Hamilton Veg Fest.
No, it's
Veggie Fest. Veggie Fest Hamilton. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys next time. Oh, hey, before you go, just one last thing. If you really enjoyed what I'm doing here on The Crazy Vegan, oh my god, it's raining. Make sure to click that subscribe button. If you really want to support me, you can head on over to my Patreon, where you can support these videos so I can do more of them more frequently, which would be awesome and badass, so I can spread a fun vegan message around the world. Thanks again for watching. See you later.